Hello students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In our today's lecture, we are going to study about concepts of quality assurance and quality control. So, basically, what is quality assurance? Definition of quality assurance according to WHO is quality assurance is a wide-ranging concept covering all matters that individually or collectively influences the quality of a product, which includes the pharmaceutical. Quality assurance can be divided into major areas like that of development, quality control, production, distribution, and inspection. ISO 9000 defines as part of quality management focused on providing confidence that quality required will be fulfilled. Quality assurance is any systematic process of determining whether a product or service meets the specific requirement. Quality assurance can be defined as part of quality management focused on providing confidence that quality requirement will be fulfilled. The confidence provided by the quality assurance is two-folded: internal to management and external to consumer. Government agencies, regulators, certifiers, and third parties. An alternative definition is all the planned and systematic activity implemented within the quality system that can be demonstrated to provide confidence that a product or service will fulfill requirements of quality. QA establish the sorry QA establishes and maintains set required for developing or manufacturing reliable products. A quality assurance system is meant to increase consumer confidence and companies' credibility while also improving work processes and efficacy. And it enables a company to better compete the others. The ISO, that is International Organization for Standardization, is the driving force behind QA practices and mapping the process used to implement QA. Now let us talk about importance of quality assurance. Quality assurance helps a company create product and service that meets the needs and expectation and requirement of the consumer. Also, it yields high quality product offerings that build trust and loyalty with consumers. And the standards and procedures defined by quality assurance program help prevent product defects before they arise. Then quality assurance methods. So basically there are three main methods. Let us see one by one. The first one, failure testing. Here, continuously testing of product is done in order to determine if it breaks or fails. For physical product, we need to it need to withstand the stress. This could involve testing the product under heat, pressure, or vibrations. For software products, failure testing might involve placing the software under high usage or load condition. Then the second one is statistical process control, also called as SPC. This method uses statistical method to manage and control the production of product. Then the third one what we have is total quality management, also known as TQM. So this applies qualitative method as the basis of for continuous improvement. TQM relies on fact, data, and analysis to support product planning and performance reviews. Now let us talk about quality control. So ISO 9000 defines quality control as a part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirements. It is part of GMP concerned with sampling, specification and testing, documentation and release procedures which ensure that necessary and relevant tests are performed and the product is released for use only after ascertaining its quality. Quality control is also known as QC and focused on identifying the defects. QC ensures that the approach, techniques, and methods and process are designed in the project are are followed correctly. Also, QC activities monitor and verify that the project deliverables meets the defined quality standards. QC or quality control is a reactive process and is a detection in nature. That is, it recognizes the defects quality control has to complete after quality assurance. Also, QC does not deal with the process used to create the product, rather, it examines the quality of the end product and the final outcome. Then, the main aim of quality control is to check whether the product meets the specifications and requirement of the consumer. It is an issue or problem is identified, it needs to be fixed there before delivering to the consumer. So it is the responsibility of QC. QC also evaluates people on their quality level skills sets and imparts training and certifications. This evaluation is required for the service based organization and helps to provide perfect service to the consumer. Now, let's talk about the example. So quality control activities include like that of walkthroughs, testing, inspection and checkpoint reviews, whereas quality assurance activities include quality audits, then defining processes, tool identification and selection, and training of quality standards and processes. So this is all about the basic concepts regarding quality control and quality assurance. Thank you.